Everything natural. Finally done. Wow, so cute. Wow. So guys, again day out with my friends, and today we are going somewhere to spend some time in nature. So keep watching. Here you can see my friends. So let me reach the spot and continue the vlog. So guys, we have reached the spot, and let me show you what we are going to cook. So we are going to have this.
पूरा रो मास को आने आलसी लगना भी रहा है राम तो कुछ नहीं ले रो मास को हम सोए नहीं क्यों रो ये तो रो नहीं ना
Lonely boy.
That
Washing clothes. So guys, as you can see, the view is amazing, and then the weather is also very cool. Let's see it will rain or not. Everything natural. Making going natural things. We are gonna have the fish, so I'll show you after the cooking is done. Finally done. So guys, we are done with our fooding, and now we are planning to return back to our home. One of my friend is bathing. This was the destination where we stayed. So guys, it's raining, and I will like to end my video here because from now we are not going to make any activities. So I will end my vlog here. So bye. Water is also so cool.